So you already tried affiliate marketing, you have tried dropshipping, you have tried consulting, and none of these business works for you. So you are wondering which is the best online business for beginners. Then this is the video for you. Welcome back, guys. So before we start, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Johnson Lin. This channel is all about my journey with my Instagram page, Basketball545, Join Successful, and I'm Johnson Lin with my 3 Instagram page with the Instagram growth, with the promotion, with making money online. If you like this kind of topic, then please subscribe to this YouTube channel and smash the like button, alright? So without any further ado, let's jump back to today's video. So what is the best online business for beginner? That I would say is CPA marketing. So CPA standing for cost per action, which means your customer doesn't have to pay for anything. All they need to do is complete an action, for example, like download an application or complete a survey or fill in an email address. So all they need to do is complete this certain action, then you will get paid. These are from the company that they want to collect lead or they want to promote their mobile app. So these other company will pay you from 50 cents to $10. So all you need to do is just letting your audience to complete an action. So which is really simple because your audience doesn't have to pay for anything. So this is really perfect for beginners. So how to get started? So first thing first that you're gonna do is you're gonna go up to Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, any of these social media platform. You're gonna build your audience first. So with online business, that all you need to do is you need to start with the free traffic method first. Do not go up to paid traffic if you are a beginner because paid traffic is for more advanced people. And if you go up to paid traffic directly, you will easily to end up losing money and you're gonna quit and you're gonna go up to your friends and family and you're gonna tell them online business is a scam, but actually it's not. It's you are not doing correct. So the correct way is start with free traffic method first. And I would recommend to start with Instagram because I have experience on Instagram. And if you don't know how to grow your Instagram pages, you can check out on my channel. I have a ton of videos that showing you how to grow your Instagram pages. So first thing that you need to do is build your Instagram page at least 5,000 followers. So when you are under 5,000 followers, just forget the promotion. You don't have to do any promotion. Just focus on grow your page. So once you have 5,000 followers, then you can start promoting things on your page and start making money. Why? First, if you are under 5,000 followers, any promotion on your page will letting your followers leave your page. So you're gonna kill your engagement rate and you're gonna kill your page, and this is not good. And second, the platform that I recommend you to join, you at least need 5,000 followers that you can join. So this is why you don't have any choice. You can only start with 5,000 followers. If you are under 5,000 followers, after this video, jump onto my channel, check out all the videos. I will show you easily to grow your followers to over 5,000 followers, then you can start making money. So what CPA marketing platform that I recommend you to join? So let's jump onto my phone. I'm going to show you. Okay, so the website is called The Plug. This is a combination of different applications inside this website. So all you need to do is you just promote this app on your Instagram page, letting people to download this application. Then each download you will get paid. It's just simple as that. As you can see, when I scroll down, you can see there is a fitness app. When people download this app, you will get 15 plug coin. This is the old version. Right now, the version that you can see directly how much dollar that you will get for each download. So it's really simple. So all you need to do is you can see over here, they have a video ad on this website. So you can download this video ad and place on your Instagram page And once people watch this ad and they will go up to your bio, they will click on the link and they will download the app, then you will get paid. But this is not the way that I would recommend. I would recommend is you're gonna make your own advertise. Why? Because first, when you use the advertise on the plug website, it's already saturated because a lot of people is already used that. And when you post this ad on your page, a lot of your audience will already see that 10 times or even 50 times and they will just scroll over, and this is not a good signal for Instagram. So all you need to do is you're gonna record your own video. You're gonna download the app on your phone and you're gonna use it yourself, and you're gonna record when you are using that application. So this is a really good way to show up, because first you're gonna stand out because it's unique, only you have that video, and second, you can filming the video doesn't look like an ad. The best ad in the world is the ad doesn't look like an ad. What I mean is you're gonna filming the video like your normal content. For example, my page is about basketball, so I'm promoting NBA 2K game. You can see this game is related to my page, so there will be a high chance that the audience on my page will download this video. So I will record the video when I'm playing this game. So let me show you what the video ad will look like. So you can see this is when I play this game and I have go up to the court and I dunk on the game. So I really feel fun with this game, and it's just really simple as that. So all you need to do, if you are doing the fitness page, then you're gonna promote the fitness application, then you're gonna use the app and showing people what it looks like. Okay, so this is the plug, and if you want to try to make money on the plug, you can use my link. I will leave the link under the description and also the comment section. Alright? So let's talk about the problem with CPA marketing. So with CPA marketing, that as you can see, you will only get paid from 50 cents to $10. The highest payment that I ever see is about $10. You won't get over that amount. It's really different with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, you could easy to get over $100, but with CPA marketing, because you are not letting your customer to pay any money, so each action will only give you like $2 or $5 or $10, so it's not a lot. But this will easy to add up, so you can easily like making $1,000 per week. This is totally legit. And the second problem with CPA marketing is they will have the location problem. What do I mean? Each offer are different. So before you promoting each offer, you need to go up there to check what location they will accept. For example, a lot of application will only accept the US location. So all you need to do is you need to looking for your analytics with your Instagram. You're gonna check out which location your audience are from. Then you're gonna jump onto the plug, looking for the application that accept your audience. So this is really important. If you are promoting an app that is only accept the US location and your audience is from India or from Indonesia or any other country, then you will miss out a lot of money. So this is why you need to check first. And because of the location problem, so which means your conversion rate is not that high. So the conversion rate normally will get from 5% to 15%. So that means if you send 100 people into the website, into the plug, only 5 to 15% of the download you will get paid. So this is why the conversion rate won't be 100%. But as I just said, is you're gonna looking for your analytics and finding the best offer for your page. This is really important. And also, if you just start out, the first thing that you're gonna focus on is how many clicks that you get. If you don't get 100 clicks per day, then you're gonna focus on that, because if you only get less like 10 clicks or like 20 clicks, then that is totally not enough. With any online business, you will first need to focus on how many clicks that you get per promotion. So this is really important. At least I would say is you need 100 clicks every single day. If you are not having 100 clicks every single day, working on this first. And how to work on this is providing more viral content. So how to promote more viral content is forming all different kind of video. Once your video going viral on the social media, on Instagram, you will generate a lot of money. For example, if your video going viral, generate you 1 million views on one of your single videos, then just say that 1% of that 1 million people click through your link, then that is 10,000 clicks. And out of these 10,000 clicks, only 5% of people download the app, then that is $1,000, because 500 times 2, if each download is $2, then that is $1,000. So just imagine if you have one single video that's going viral on Instagram, go up to 1 million views, you can easily generate $1,000. And this is just one video. So always forming different video, try to go viral on Instagram. Alright, so this is CPA Marketing with the Plug website. And if you want to try the Plug website, I will leave the link down below in the description and comment section. And if you have any question, you are always welcome to leave under the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on notification. Okay? So if you right now you want to see that I do with 24-hour dropshipping challenge, you can check out the video right up here. Then I will see you in that video. See you. Bye, guys.